What is up, guys? It is TJAI, and I know I haven't uploaded for a while, and the reason is I've recently started a contract with a big five tech company. So for the past 2 months, that's where I've been. I've been working really hard on that project, but I am back with another AI banger, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the updates that have been made to Stack AI and how this could completely change the kinds of applications you can build for your users and your customers using Stack AI. Now, I think this is one of the best updates in any of these bot builders, and I think there's so many different domains you can use this in and so many different use cases, and I'm super excited to show you guys how you can implement this into your applications. All right, so first things first, the whole thing that I'm going to be showing you guys today is the ability for the users to upload their own documents and have the AI read those documents and apply whatever it is that they're sending to the AI in the AI's response. What does this mean? I'll give you an example. I can upload my CV to a bot that's specifically tailored to improving CV. So you give a bunch of CV websites where it basically tells you the best ways to build the CV. You then upload your CV into it, and then it will read your CV and then weigh it against the advice of the websites that you've loaded into your AI bot. Now, as you can imagine, there's so many different use cases, and I'll show you a workflow of how exactly this works and why this is so useful and so powerful. But before we go any further, I'm just going to walk over this workflow really quickly. Then I'm going to show you an example, and then hopefully you guys can give me some ideas as to what kind of bots you want me to build so that I can go ahead and show you guys exactly how to do that. So leave a comment below if you want a specific type of bot built using this framework or any other framework or even other tools that you've come across that I haven't covered yet that you want me to cover. All right. So first things first, we've got our input, in -0. Then we've got our expert knowledge base, as we can see here. The URLs that we're looking at here, these are basically websites that go over how to build a CV. This one for data science in particular, which is my field. And then here, which is the really important part, is the documents that the user is able to upload. So if you just go to data loaders and then click on expose to users, you're now able to have your users upload documents, and they can upload multiple documents actually, but for this purpose, we're just going to be uploading one single document, and then as far as the system prompt is concerned, it is simply you are a helpful assistant that knows the best ways to construct a CV. Use your knowledge base to create the perfect CV for the user. Never refer to the knowledge base in your answers. Respond as if it's your own knowledge. Beautiful. And then next thing is I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works. And as you can see here, I've already uploaded my CV. And then now I'm going to ask it, what are the highlights of my CV? Just to make sure you can see that it's actually reading my CV when it's giving its critique. It's not just generic advice. Let's give it a moment. There we go. Academic achievement, real world impact, skill set, work experience, and key achievements. There we go. So it's literally telling me exactly what's on my CV. You've got the academic achievements, the things that I've been able to do in the real world, my overall skill set, and as you can see, it's actually reading my CV when it's giving giving you the response. So let's say, for example, what should I remove from my CV when applying to a data science role? Now let's see what it says. Now this is an outdated CV, but we're gonna see exactly what it says here. Okay, so it didn't give me any specific things about my CV, but it's fine. As you can see already, it does actually refer to your CV. So what about my specific what about my specific CV should I change? Okay, there you go. So there are some things that it got wrong. Like here you can see it says I include the name of your university, the title of your MSc degree. I actually do have that in there. In the year of completion, it's a little bit lower down, so maybe you didn't pick that up. It talks about organize your skills into bullet points, which I do already. I have already done. And you should emphasize these specific skills, which I can definitely do. But yeah, as you can see, I created this chatbot, by the way, in about 5 minutes. So you can imagine if you actually put a little bit more into the prompting, a little bit more into the information sources and the way that you're actually pulling the data, such as the chunk lengths and things like that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you should watch my other videos on how to build bots using Stack AI. But the idea here is you can essentially upload whatever files you want, and you can upload an expert knowledge base and then have your actual files or your users files compared to the knowledge base, and thus get personalized, tailored information based on any file they upload. Now I'm going to show you guys a quick chart that shows you how exactly this works and why it could be so useful for your purpose. So here we can see, we start off with the expert documents, and that's provided by you. This is then imported as the knowledge base, and then this is used to critique the user document, right? And this is provided by the user. All of this, the user document and the knowledge base, is added into the context for the AI's response, as well as the user's prompt itself. So you've got the expert document that you provide, you've got the user document that they provide, and then you've got the user prompt that they also provide as far as what is it that they want help with from the AI. This all gets put into context for the AI's response, and then it produces the response. So as you can imagine, this expert document could be anything such as, how to build, a sales script, how to write a pitch deck, how to create, the perfect landing page. And you can have all of these different things. And then you have the user documents. That user document could be a PDF of their pitch deck. It could be their sales script. It could be their CV. It could be so many other things. And then the user writes the prompt. They ask what it is they want to ask. And that's all provided in the AI response in context. Now, this is super useful. And like I said before, guys, let me know if there's anything that you'd want me to add to this, or anything you want me to test on this, so that you guys can get a better understanding of how to use this brand new feature from Stack AI. Now, my next video is going to be an update as to how to improve the appointment setting bot from that I made last time, because there have been some changes in the way that that Google Calendars works inside of Make, to make sure that you don't have these certain issues in VoiceFlow. So I'm going to be posting that over the next few days, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys are fully aware of this brand new feature and how it may be able to help you. Please leave a like if you enjoy my content, if it helps you in any way, and subscribe for more AI content. Peace.